Alright guys, if you've had some time to check out some of the stuff on the digital page, you've probably learned that Frida had some medical issues in her life and had to spend a lot of time in bed, and this is where she mastered her craft of painting. And because she was in bed for a lot of her life, she painted a whole lot of self-portraits. Most of these self-portraits were done on canvas with oil paints. But today we're going to be doing our own Frida Kahlo inspired self-portrait, but instead of oil and canvas, we're going to be using Sharpies and this plastic frame. So what you're going to need today is that frame that's in your bag, some Sharpies. You will need this printout of her oil painting. You'll need this template that has an oval shape on it, and you'll also need something to draw with and something to color your portrait with, and at the end you'll need a little bit of glue or tape, and you might need some scissors also to trim your page. Okay, once you've gathered all your supplies, you are ready to get started.